This one, what you have to do when you're given this, you have to remember that the x-intercept and the y-intercept are nothing more or less than points on the coordinate plane. The point has two coordinates, an x-coordinate and a y-coordinate. So, if a line is going to hit the x-axis at -4, what's the x-coordinate of that point?
-4.
Yeah, the x-coordinate is -4. The y-coordinate is 0. If it's on the x-axis, that means it's not above or below the x-axis, so there's no y value. The y value is 0. The y-intercept, on the other hand, hits the y-axis. What's the y-coordinate of the y-intercept?
-3.
Yeah, the y-coordinate is -3, and the x-coordinate
0.
is 0. So now you have 2 points. You have the coordinates of 2 points. And the process that you go through now, well, I think I've said this many times, if you're given this information, what's the first thing you need to find in order to find the equation of the line? It's the slope. If you're not given the slope, you have to go about finding the slope. It's the first thing you have to do. So how do we go about finding the slope of the line that passes through those 2 points?
y2 minus y1 over x.
Alright, so we have y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And then, in this particular case, what's that going to be?
-3 minus 0.
-3 minus 0, okay.
Then 0 minus -4.
0 minus -4. And that equals?
-3 over -4.
-3 over +4. So it's -3/4. That's the slope. Now, you're asked to write this in slope-intercept form, this form here. You have the slope. That's this right here. And do I need to do anything more? Can I write the equation with the information I currently have?
No, it's fine. Y-intercept.
What?
So just find the y-intercept.
Y equals -3/4 x. And I've got the y-intercept already. I don't have to go about finding, although I can. I can use the point slope form, we haven't even talked about that, but I can use the point slope form of the equation and plug in the coordinates of one of these points, either one, and I'm going to end up with this saying, given I've given the slope here, and the y-intercept, so y create more than I actually need. About that. All right. Any questions? The key here is that remember that the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate are and one of the coordinates and the x is 0 and the y of the coordinate one of that. All right, do 4 2. This one I'm told that the x-intercept is -2, and the y-intercept is 7. So what are the coordinates, Manuela, of the x-intercept?
-2.
What?
-2.
The coordinate.
-2, 7. 0.
And what are the coordinates of the y-intercept?
0, 7.
Alright, now what do I do?
7 minus 0 over -2.
Well, I'm doing what? I'm finding the slope.
Yeah. 7 minus 0 is 0 minus -2.
Which equals?
7 over -2.
Oh. So there's my slope, and the y-intercept is?
7.
Yeah, so what's the equation?
Y equals 7 over 2x minus 7. -7